In Module 1, it discusses about strategic management. Strategic management is a process through which companies identify their missions, visions, goals, and objectives, as well as construct and execute strategies at various levels of their hierarchies in order to gain and maintain a competitive edge. The military has been linked to the roots of strategic management in the history. Military strategy deals with planning and execution in a war setting, while taking into account the strategy and tactics required to implement the plan. The word strategy comes from the Greek strategios, which means general or leader of the army. Design, planning, positioning, entrepreneurial, cognitive, learning, power, cultural, environmental, and configuration are the 10 schools of thoughts in strategic management. The mission statement outlines the organization's purpose and explains why it exists. The vision, on the other hand, explains where the organization intends to go from where it is now. Goals are more detailed in terms of what the organization seeks to achieve in a given time frame in order to achieve its purpose and vision. In Module 2, it discusses about strategic management in hospitality and tourism. Services are becoming an increasingly important part of the global economy. It is estimated that service industries account for 70% of the gross domestic product of countries in the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Furthermore, it is expected that the importance of services would continue to rise globally, not only in rich countries but also in developing ones. Certainly, hospitality and tourism is a significant service sector, especially in developed countries. Despite being one of the world's largest sectors, experts and academics have struggled to come up with a coherent definition for the hospitality and tourism industry. As is frequently acknowledged, there is still a lack of consensus on exactly what hospitality and tourism entails, as well as the relationship between the two. There are types of hospitality and tourism organization, and these are the travel and transport, accommodations, food and beverages, entertainment and recreation, tourism offices or destination management organizations, and non-governmental tourism organizations. Each of these is often identified as subsector under the hospitality and tourism industry. There are also 7 characteristics of hospitality and tourism organizations, and these are the inseparability, simultaneity, perishability, intangibility, cost structure, and labor intensive. In Module 3, it discusses about external environment. An external environment is a set of factors or circumstances that exist outside of the organization but have an impact on it. This word is used in business to refer to elements that are out of one's control, such as society, the economy, regulations, and the political system. There are 2 environmental dimensions. First, the simple complex dimensions refers to the number of factors or variables that influence the environment. Second, the static dynamic dimension refers to the degree of change over time related to the factors or variables pertaining to the internal and external environments. There are types of environment, and these are the political, ecological, technological, microeconomic, and social-cultural environment.